10 years ago, I was teaching. I put my heart and soul into it. My new class every year was my next crop. I kept trying to find a job closer to home. My dad started just talking about succession planning and if I want to own the business and take over. It went very smoothly. My dad and I think a lot alike. One second. Go ahead and get dressed. Doug will turn the water on.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Thank you. Bye. Get dressed. Rain gear.
Get dressed.
Suit up. Farming is more than just driving a tractor. The day can start great. You could have a hiccup and be an hour behind. So even though it can feel lonely by myself, I hope that when girls see me driving equipment down the road that they're like, oh, look at her go, I could do that too. The Willamette Valley in Oregon has the cool wet winters and warm summers. The consistency helps our crops. Most of the fruit comes from family farms and family businesses, and that in and of itself is a community. The sense of pride of your hard work, it just tastes so good. It's like a blackberry explosion.